How to find archive emails in Outlook. So in this video we are going to talk about what is the archive email and how you can find it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Outlook here. So this is my I have used three email ID. This is my email ID, and you can see under this email ID I don't have I have archive folder, but under this email ID also I have archive folder. But I think in this email ID I don't have archive folder because I did not archive still anything here. So what you when you archive anything first time, just right click on email. If archive it, if there is no archive folder, they will ask you to create the archive folder, or you can choose the existing folder. So maybe you had choose another folder to archive emails, or maybe you can create maybe you had created the new archive folder. So when you create new archive folder, it will be shown like this. Just click on archive and you can see the all archive email. If you had select another folder for archive emails, and you have to find out the folder that you have archive. Okay, so you can archive new email. Okay, just archive new email. I just archive this mail. Okay, I just copy the email ID here, archive it, right click on archive, it will be moved to the archive. Okay, yeah, it is archive now. You can see two email ID archive. Now what you need to do, go to the search and go to the current mailbox and search this email ID, and you will see the all email which is in your mailbox. It will be show the all archive folder archive email also. Now just find out which emails you want. Just right click on it and you can move to it to the inbox. Okay, just select the inbox from here if it is archive. Okay, so that is how you can find the archive emails in Outlook. But if you set the archive auto archive, then this your data file will be found in personal data file or other data file. Okay, so you have to find, you can find your auto archive file in personal data archive. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.